Hello and welcome back. I'm looking at the US 10-year yield. So US 10-year yield is pushing higher after breaking out that weekly correction and heading back to that 180 mark. Okay, so we are at 161. Okay, we are still having a couple of more more room for upside, and we may see drop on the US 10-year yield from that previous top, and it can visit that previous low again. Let's look at the previous charts first, and then we're going to talk about the updated chart. Okay, so when it was setting up for a breakout weekly correction, all right, and we got a breakout and it's on its way. As we know that Fed is preparing for the tapering in November, okay, which is causing the strength on the US 10-year yield. Okay, and also we know that inflation is above 5%, all right, and there are fears that we may see stagflation, which is causing the yield to push more higher. Okay, so heading back to 180 marks. Okay, there we can see it's heading back to the previous top. And now let's look at the weekly updated chart. All right, so last week stronger numbers on the US 10-year yield. Okay, and we still can see some more upside on the 10-year yield back to 180, and then we may see a drop over there from that top and back to that low. If I'm gonna look at the lower time frame, price is still strong. I mean, the US 10-year yield is still strong. Okay, any correction will push this for more upside. Okay, so which means that dollar still can stay strong for a couple of more days. Okay, days to week. Okay, so any correction or deeper pullback, okay, will push US 10-year yield for more upside. Okay, continuation also can happen rather than this one more drop. All right, so it is still strong and we still got some more upside room. All right, so which means that gold is still hasn't finished its bearish move. Okay, and gold can drop up to 1680. Right, so right now it's being traded at 1750, yeah, somewhere there close to those numbers. Okay, and we still may see more pressure on the gold all the way up to 1700 or 1680. Okay, and we may see buy opportunity over there on gold at 1680, around 1680. Okay, so you're watching yield to hold that previous top and drop for another leg lower all the way back to that low. All right, so hopefully you got the idea. So thank you very much. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye bye.